All right, this is Jesse, High Performance Earthworks, checking in with Josh. He's doing a tank replacement. This down in Arvada. It's pretty soft ground, flat, level playing field, which is nice. We're ripping the old tank out of the ground. It's concrete, and Josh is piling it all up right here so we can haul it away. So we'll get that cleaned up a little bit and pick through that, get the parts out, and then we're also repairing this sewer line that runs kind of right under the machine here and over to the house. And we're gonna have a clean out over in here somewhere that we'll be repairing. So we got to get the dump truck down here, get this stuff loaded up. I should probably do that today. And yeah, that's where we're at.